next video, I'm going to walk you through how to respond to reviews from the RevuAsk platform. So once you have some review platforms connected that have reviews, you'll be able to go in and reply to reviews directly from the platform. So you can kind of do all your review management from this one place. And now with the Google setup, there's two different ways to do that. So one of the ways to do it is the public, and one of the ways is to actually log in and connect your account. If you do the public, you won't be able to respond with the AI responses or respond directly in the software. If you just click the link, it's going to take you to the Google, your actual Google My Business, where you'll be able to leave a review there. So if you click on the Google review and it doesn't open this up, then you need to go back and watch the video on how to set up your account, and then you will need to set it up the correct way. So all you have to do is just disconnect your account and then reset it up through the login instead of the public. So with that being said, to leave a review is very simple. You can come in here. If you just click reply like I did, it'll open this up and you can leave a custom review here. You can type anything you want, and you can use the feature of name, and it'll use this person's name in the review. But what most of you are going to benefit from is the AI reply. All you have to do is click AI reply, and it'll start generating a short reply. And so this is going to, instead of having to start from a clean slate, it's going to give you the ability to, you can just need to come in here and tweak this however you want. But most of these, you're not going to need to do anything. But one of the features on here, so it automatically is going to give you a short answer, but you have options for a normal and an extensive answer. I like the extensive answer because it's going to go into more detail and look like you put more energy into the review. And this is going to help you tremendously when potential customers go look at your reviews and they see that you're putting this much effort into responding to each review uniquely. And so if you read through this, so the review talks about absolutely love the cozy atmosphere. So it's going to take words out of this review and put it in here. So this is everything that's written here is going to pertain to this review. And so you can read the response it generates. It said, "Thank you so much for your kind words. We're thrilled to hear that you enjoyed our cozy atmosphere." So it kind of goes into detail about what they're saying. So it looks like you actually read the review, took time to reply. Reality is you just did this in about 20 seconds. So this is AI. This is going to get you probably 95, 98, 99% of the way there. So just read through this. If you need to tweak or change anything, just go through it. Just look at this as an assistant. So you're not starting from a blank screen. This is giving you a starting point where you can come in and read through it. If everything looked good, just click send, which is going to be the case probably 99% of the time. But if you do want to come in and make any edits, you can customize that here. And it's that easy. You just click send and it's going to reply to the review automatically. Same thing with Facebook. You would come in here, click AI reply, then you can come in, change the answer to an extensive answer, regenerate it, and boom, you're good to go. So this is very straightforward. If you guys have any questions about any of this, just reach out to us and let us know. I can't stress enough how important it is to respond to these reviews and how helpful it's going to be. The worst thing, I guess, is seeing a business if you're a potential customer and you're going to look at reviews and you see where they have not responded to any reviews, but you look at a competitor and they're responding to all of them, that competitor is probably going to win that business every time. The next worst thing to not respond is just responding with a generic one-line response, which is people usually copy and paste on each individual review. So it's obvious they're just copy and pasting, and nothing says I don't care about your review other than worse than not leaving a review is nothing says you don't care more than just copying and pasting the same generic response. So this is going to eliminate that. This will also help you spin negative responses in a positive way so that a lot of times they will actually, if you can reword and show a customer that you care and you want to make things right, if they did have a negative experience, a lot of times it will work in your favor more than a positive review, because the biggest fear of most customers is that if something does go wrong, that you're not going to make it right, and they're going to look like a fool. And so if they see where there is potential issues, customers have had issues, but you've come back and responded and tried to make things right, it's going to give a lot of people assurance and confidence in you. And a lot of times those will work to your benefit more than to your detriment. So again, if you guys have any questions about any of this, feel free to reach out.